Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how to read and write a string to a file using Java 11 API. Java 11 adds the method files.readString and files.writeString, which make it easier to read and write files. Let's see how to do it. First, I'm going to import Java IO package. This will be import java.io, and then I'm going to import Java new and IO, import Java dot new package, I need to add file, and now I'm going to import Java IO, or I will just go with the Java dot IO, the complete package. And now I'm going to add a main function to our class. Public class file demo. Now time to add a public static void main. And now in our main method, we can call write to file and read from file function, which I have not defined yet. So we're going to be write to file. In this function, we are going to write to a new file and then read from file. So first I'm going to add a write to file function to this class. I will make it private. Static void write to file. And I'm going to surround the code with a try catch. And inside catch, we are going to catch the IO exception. And inside it, we can print stack trace. Now I'm going to create a file object. File, and I will call it file, and call constructor of file object. The file name will be hello.txt or hello world. And then I'm going to check if there is no file hello world.txt already exists on the system. Then we are going to create a new one. That is file. So we are checking over here. If this file don't exist, then we need to create a new one. It's going to be file dot create new file. We can write a string to a file by calling files dot write string method and pass in our file dot to path and the string that we want to write hello world and the car set will be for us car set dot default car set. And the operation is a write operation, so this will be standard open option be right. That's it. It's very simple. This is going to write a hello world string to our newly created file hello world.txt if it don't already exist. Else we are just going to write to a file. So this one is a write to file. Now we are going to add a function to read from file. And that function will also be a private one. Private static read from file, and this should return type will be void. We also need a try catch block in this function too. Try, and then I will catch IO exception and print stack trace catch IO exception. And e dot print stack trace. And now we need to create a file object again, and I will call it file read. Create new file object by calling file class constructor and pass in our file name hello world.txt. Now we can read the data from our file. I will name it data of string type and call files dot read string and pass in our file read that to path and set our car set to be the default car set. Car set dot default car set. We can also print this uh, text from a file to the console by using system dot out print line and pass in our data. That's so easy. So we're just gonna save it. Now we have our both function write to file and read from file ready. We're gonna run our program and check if it's work. I forgot to import car set from new package. So it's going to be over here. Import java dot new package dot car set. Let's save our program. We can see we are able to read the text from a file. So we were able to write to a file the string hello world and also read from a file. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll send code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.